agree that this was a very great training.
We've been talking a lot we've noticed is about self-image. So there's a lot of things that we've been thinking about, trying to figure out activities, projects.
Empathy, number 3, is always hard to get, and this book gave so many ideas on how to get that measure accomplished.
We just talked briefly about it was nice to be able to be together and just focus on each other.
To start off with these skills and help the children right off the bat, it's gonna be great. We're excited.